Hello, back in my spot for aircraft watching, but I'm done. There are new aircraft coming. Nothing that I can note though exactly. Something's probably gonna come out. I'm not actually that far from the garbage cans. They're literally right next to me. I'm telling you, the camera's small. Just waiting for something to fly by. Something that's not at 21,000 feet, like the aircraft that go in a string down here. Those aren't 21,000 feet. They're at least 16,000. I will see you guys once an aircraft pops up. It has been 20 minutes of nothing. Finally, there's something, but it's way back there. Just never stay. I'm hoping. Oops. Ah! Gross. Ow! Ah! Stupid rock. Ah! My foot. Step on a stick. Step on a stick. That wouldn't hurt. If it were strong enough, it would. Though it's not strong enough. Hey! MD-80 right here. Finally! Another 30 minutes, and it's finally here. But it turns. So I have to run up the driveway like a maniac and just barely capture it. 3. Finally! Gee whiz! Nice. Okay, I need to stop screaming. My camera feels like it's about to fall apart. I'm gonna check the mail. I know I just passed the mail. Probably. Nope, nothing in here. That's the newspaper. Newspaper. I'm gonna carry the newspaper. If I don't, I am going to get grounded for 2 weeks. There. Nice and snug. Hopefully this camera is still filming. Hey! Condensation trail. Right there. Then there's a bird. Ow. Why do I keep saying ow when I hit a stick? I don't make any sense. I just saw something go into the clouds. That was either a bird because the clouds are really low, or it was an aircraft, which is what I'm looking for. That is absolutely, is exactly what I'm looking for, but it's not. Yeah, that was an aircraft. I can hear it already. That turned off. I might miss the airport too. The way it's far out down here. Let me go see if that thing is going to miss the airport. No, it's just staying steady right there. If it stays steady right over here, then it shouldn't miss the airport. What it should do is get a little bit closer. Hey, I finally did it. I stepped on a stick and I didn't say ow. Ow! Dang it! That stick was pointy. Stick had a sticker on it. Sticky stick sticker. Not the kind you put on your shirt like, ow! It's the kind that you step on and go, ah! Or you just get cut with it. How long have I been filming? 6 minutes and 30 seconds. 23. I'm gonna go down here. I found a stick. Let's see how far I can throw it. Well, I can't throw very good with that hand. That doesn't count. That doesn't count. I can't throw good with that hand. Because if I were holding the camera with the other hand, like this, whoa, it's gonna drop. See, let me try and hold the camera like that for just a few seconds. It falls. Ugh. God, I'm burning up. But I have to stay out here, away from the garage, away from the shade, away from the wind. Honestly, I can't help being in the path of the wind. Unless I go inside, but at least I have to go into my room where it is boiling. Or I could just go into the kitchen and jump into a pot of boiling water. That would be nice. It would. Oh, now what? Oh my god, now I'm freezing! It's a good thing I didn't take my shirt off. Oh. What is that? Sorry, my fingernail hit. Hey, he's in the wrong path! Yellow Spirit, the evil spirit, A320, is in the wrong spot. That's not a Neo. A320, you're in the wrong spot, dude. You're not supposed to be way over there. Hey, finally, I can see my screen. The back of my camera is... my camera is boiling. Oh, I'm covering the lens. Don't want to do that. Because if I cover the lens, I will not be able to. I'm going to stop this video pretty soon. I cannot... Because I'm actually freezing out here. Like, it's a mix between freezing and boiling. And it hurts, like it stings. Now what? Well, now you decide to start hitting some cinder. Here's some grunting over there. I'm not gonna ask what's happening. They'll probably be rude anyway. Are you serious? Smacks the gutter with a yellow tube. Well, another aircraft's probably gonna be in the wrong intercepting the wrong spot. Yep. Intercepting the wrong spot. Wrong spot. MD-82 with his gears down already. What are you doing with your gears down? You're at 5,000 feet. Your gears have no business being down. You probably couldn't see it, but I saw like the nose gear was down. It wasn't the windows like I usually see on an MD-80. They're acting weird again. They're coming from there. I see a rainbow. A little bit of a rainbow. I promised I would end this video soon. And I will. Once I go into the garage, I am burning up. I'm also screaming. And I'm running out of water. That's why my voice sounds dry. Oh my god. So I'm gonna go into the garage and get some more. Bye guys. See ya.